Hello, and welcome. My name is Anthony Harris, and I'm an administrator for RenesasRulz.com. In this instructional video, we'll be looking into the Direct Memory Access Controller demo for the RDKRX62N using the High Performance Embedded Workshop. Before we get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is hook up a micro USB cable to the proper J-Link module, as seen. Now that everything is connected properly, it is possible for us to load the Direct Memory Access Controller demo. To do this, open up High Performance Embedded Workshop. Once it is open, select Create a New Project Workspace and hit OK. Next, make sure the CPU family is the RX family and that the project type is the RDKRX62N. The workspace name, you can name whatever you want. I'll call this one Demo, and then hit OK. Next, select Sample Code and hit Next. And in the scroll window, select DMAC and then hit Finish. Once all the files are properly loaded, change the default session to a J-Link, save it, and then connect the board. Make sure the MCU group is the RX62N group and that the mode is in debugging mode, and then hit OK. Next, make sure the operating mode is in single chip mode and that the input clock is 12 MHz, and then hit OK. With the board properly connected, it is possible for you to open up the main DMAC.c file, and then build all. Depending upon what version of demo software you're running, you may run into an error. To fix this error, go to Build, RX Standard Toolchain. In the Link Library tab, change Category to Section. In the second address, Modify, and add an L** after C, and then hit OK, OK, and then build it all again. Since there were no errors with this build, it's asking if you would like to load the program to the board. Go ahead and click Yes. With the program properly loaded to the board, it is possible to test out for proper functionality. To do this, scroll through the main DMAC.c file until you find GDMA data buff. Right-click on it, select Add Watch. A new window should pop up with the variable displayed. Ensure that Enable Auto Update is selected, and make sure that the variable is expanded so you can view each index within the array. And to get the program to run on the board, reset the CPU, then press Go. As you can notice, the values within the data buff variable have all been changed to the values that were stored within the GDMA data source variable. And this is how you use the High Performance Embedded Workshop to properly implement the Direct Memory Access Controller demo. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit us at RenesasRulz.com and be sure to check out these other great links.